Boosting your immune system quickly isn't possible, but the sooner you get started with a few lifestyle changes, the sooner you may improve your overall well-being and, ultimately, your immune system. You may want to focus on eating a balanced diet with plenty of fresh foods and whole grains. Engage in at least 150 minutes of physical activity per week. Get enough sleep. Manage stress with deep breathing or talk therapy. Avoid or quit smoking, and limit alcohol consumption. So in this video, we are talking about the immune-boosting power of lemon, ginger, turmeric, and garlic. Preliminary research suggests vitamin C may be involved in the development and function of white blood cells. It seems vitamin C may improve the production of B and T cells, which are important white blood cells for the immune system. The amount of vitamin C needed for increasing white blood cells may depend on the condition and overall health needs. Good choices of foods to boost the immune system include citrus fruits, ginger, turmeric, and garlic. Although eating a balanced diet is key to boosting your immunity, foods alone cannot and should not replace medical treatment unless your healthcare professional recommends it. Health benefits of lemons. The vitamins, fiber, and plant compounds in lemons can be part of a healthy diet. It's not common to actually eat a fresh lemon. They're too sour for most tastes, unless you're using preserved lemons. Lemons contain about 50 milligrams of vitamin C, which is over half the amount of vitamin C needed in your daily diet. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, which helps protect cells from damage. Vitamin C also helps your body make collagen for your skin, helps your body absorb iron, and supports your immune system. Citrus fruits are some of the best food sources of vitamin C. Lemon also contains a high level of dietary fiber, but you don't get fiber from juice. The pectin fiber found in lemons expands once it is ingested, making you feel full sooner and longer. Lemon water is often touted as an effective tool in weight loss and weight management. While there's nothing wrong with drinking water, there's nothing magical about adding lemon to water for weight control. Also, drinking water may keep you full and help you avoid snacking as effectively as lemon. Health benefits of ginger. While ginger touts anti-inflammatory and antibiotic properties that can boost your immune system, it also contains antiviral and antibacterial properties that can help keep you healthy. And though ginger contains vitamin C, it isn't a large amount. So that's why some ginger shots will include lemon juice or orange juice to boost your vitamin C intake. Consuming these nutrients together can help to boost your intake of immune-fighting foods. Since ages, ginger has been used for medicinal purposes due to its rich nutritional properties. Even in several Ayurvedic medicines, ginger has been used as an active ingredient, and this is due to the presence of gingerol, an active component that makes ginger a perfect immunity booster. Apart from that, ginger has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which help in keeping several ailments at bay and helps fighting infections. Health benefits of turmeric. The mention of healing foods is incomplete without turmeric. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric, which has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and immunity-boosting properties. Have a cup of turmeric milk with some jaggery at bedtime. It can help you sleep well and can also give you your daily dose of immunity, especially in the winter season, when colds and the flu run rampant. Sickness can significantly impede your ability to stay active. However, turmeric has been shown to boost the immune system. Research shows that turmeric can modulate the activation of T cells, B cells, macrophages, neutrophils, natural killer cells, and dendritic cells, as well as enhance the body's antibody responses. With a strengthened immune system, you'll be more likely to stay healthy and be able to maintain an active lifestyle. Health benefits of garlic. Garlic's high sulfur content explains the bold's benefit as a cold and flu fighter. The sulfur in garlic helps your body absorb the trace element zinc, which is an immunity booster. You can find zinc in whole grains such as brown rice and whole wheat breads. Here's a fast recipe to keep you healthy. Some minced garlic in hot, healthy olive oil, and then drizzle it sparingly on a slice of whole grain bread. Most people can consume garlic and have no unpleasant side effects other than bad breath. But if you take blood thinners such as warfarin, Coumadin, or are about to have surgery, you don't want to mess with garlic because it can thin your blood even more and make you bleed. Garlic also can cause stomach upset in some people, Kaplan said. If you're consuming lots and lots of garlic to boost your immunity, tell your doctor. Subscribe to our channel for more healthy cooking tips and recipes. Share this video with your friends and family who are interested in improving their health through plant-based eating.